Welcome to the Daily Avocado, where our mission is to empower you with practical evidence-based health tips you can use every day. From natural ways to boost your immune system, to small changes in your daily wellness routine, our videos are designed to keep your body and mind thriving. You're about to learn how turmeric and black pepper can transform your body's defense system in ways that might actually surprise you. But here's the thing: most health enthusiasts get completely wrong about these spices, and it's costing them massive benefits. Stick around because I'm going to reveal the exact science behind why this combination is so potent, plus the 3 critical mistakes people make that render these spices almost useless. Let's start with turmeric, the golden spice that's been called nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory compound. This vibrant yellow root contains curcumin, a bioactive compound that gives turmeric its distinctive color and incredible health properties. But curcumin does something remarkable for your immune system that goes far beyond what most people understand. Your immune system operates like a sophisticated army, with different cells playing specific roles in defending your body against threats. Curcumin acts like a master coordinator, helping to regulate immune responses and preventing them from going into overdrive. When your immune system becomes overactive, it can actually turn against your own healthy cells, leading to chronic inflammation and autoimmune issues. Research shows that curcumin helps modulate immune cell activity, particularly T cells and B cells, which are crucial for adaptive immunity. These cells remember past invaders and mount faster, more effective responses when threats return. Curcumin also supports the production of antibodies and enhances the activity of natural killer cells, your body's first line of defense against viruses and abnormal cells. But here's where things get really interesting, and this is the first major mistake people make. Taking turmeric by itself is like trying to start a fire with damp wood. The bioavailability of curcumin is naturally very low, meaning your body struggles to absorb and use it effectively. This is where black pepper becomes absolutely crucial. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which is responsible for its sharp, pungent taste. Piperine acts like a biological key that unlocks curcumin's potential. When you combine these 2 spices, piperine increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Yes, you heard that right, 2,000%. This isn't just a small boost, it's a complete game changer. The mechanism behind this is fascinating. Piperine inhibits certain enzymes in your liver and intestines that normally break down curcumin before your body can use it. It's like piperine creates a protective shield around curcumin, allowing it to circulate in your bloodstream for much longer periods and reach the tissues where it can do the most good. This brings us to the second critical mistake people make. They use the wrong ratios. The optimal ratio for maximum absorption is approximately 100 to 1. Meaning for every gram of turmeric, you need about 10 milligrams of black pepper. Most people either use too little pepper or forget it entirely, which dramatically reduces the benefits they receive. Now let's dive into how this powerful combination actually strengthens your immune defenses. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest threats to a healthy immune system. When inflammation becomes persistent, it exhausts your immune resources and makes you more susceptible to infections, diseases, and slower recovery times. The curcumin and piperine combination works by targeting multiple inflammatory pathways simultaneously. It inhibits the production of inflammatory molecules like tumor necrosis factor alpha and various interleukins, while simultaneously boosting the production of anti-inflammatory compounds. This creates a balanced immune environment where your defenses remain strong but don't become destructively overactive. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume this combination experience fewer upper respiratory infections, recover more quickly from illnesses, and show improved markers of immune function in blood tests. The antioxidant properties of both compounds also protect immune cells from oxidative stress, which can damage their ability to function properly. Here's the third mistake that costs people results. They only use these spices occasionally or inconsistently. Your body needs time to build up beneficial levels of these compounds. Taking turmeric and black pepper sporadically won't give you the immune-boosting effects you're looking for. Consistency is absolutely key. The most effective approach is incorporating this combination into your daily routine. You can add both spices to cooking, make golden milk with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper, or take them as supplements. If you choose supplements, look for products that already combine curcumin with piperine in the proper ratios. For cooking, try adding turmeric and black pepper to scrambled eggs, roasted vegetables, soups, or smoothies. The heat from cooking can actually increase curcumin availability even further, creating an additional benefit. Golden milk, a traditional Ayurvedic drink made with turmeric, warm milk, and spices including black pepper, is an excellent way to consume this combination before bed. Timing also matters for optimal absorption. Taking these spices with meals that contain healthy fats helps even more, because curcumin is fat-soluble. Adding a small amount of coconut oil, olive oil, or eating them with nuts can enhance absorption beyond what piperine alone provides. The immune-boosting effects typically become noticeable within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. Many people report feeling more energetic, experiencing fewer minor illnesses, and recovering more quickly when they do get sick. Some notice improvements in joint comfort and overall inflammation levels as additional benefits. Safety is important to address. Both turmeric and black pepper are generally very safe for most people when used in culinary amounts. However, if you're taking blood-thinning medications or have gallstones, consult with your healthcare provider before significantly increasing your intake, as turmeric can enhance the effects of blood thinners. The beauty of this natural approach is that you're not just targeting one specific aspect of immune health. You're supporting your entire immune ecosystem with compounds that have been safely used by humans for millennia. Unlike synthetic immune boosters that might create temporary spikes in activity, this combination helps create sustainable, balanced immune function. Start small if you're new to these spices. Begin with half a teaspoon of turmeric and just a pinch of black pepper daily, gradually increasing as your palate adjusts. Your immune system will thank you for this simple but powerful addition to your health routine. Remember, consistency beats intensity every time when it comes to natural immune support. Remember, every little step in your wellness journey counts. Don't forget to like the video and explore our other content for additional tips and insights that will help you conquer your well-being. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, or click the notification button. Together, let's embrace the power of natural healing with powerful ancient spices and beyond.